Alright, in this video today, we're going to show you how to connect duct flex, flexible ducts, this is 10-inch, onto this boot. This is a 12 by 12 boot, and I'm going to show you how to connect the flex to the boot, secure it down, make sure it's sealed tight so no air can get out when the system's on, and properly installed. All right, so what you're gonna do is we've opened up our bag of flex, stretched it out. We got the boot here. We're gonna take mastic and we're gonna put that inside the duct liner, the black liner right here. All right, so I'm gonna take my duct liner, got mastic on my brush. Gonna swirl it in there, make sure we got a good thick layer of mastic inside there. All right, now that we've taken our mastic, put it inside of our flex, we're gonna take our boot, we're going to put the black liner around the collar. Two or three rings, and these metal rings in the black liner, down over the collar to make sure that it's sealed good, and that the mastic should be on the collar as well. And when that dries and hardens, that'll give it a seal where there's no airflow outside there. Next thing you're going to do, you can either secure the duct flex to the boot with a zip tie or a big panduit, or in this case I'm going to use silver tape and go around the whole inner liner and secure it down to the boot. Then you got your squeegee. Squeegee that all down, and you want to make sure you tape off the whole inside liner. So we do want to make sure we get all the sides. So now that we've gotten all of our sides taped down, the inner liner's taped down, all the way around, squeegee down, we're going to take the insulation, curl it out like that, and bring that to the box as well. You want to make sure that the insulation's all the way down to the box, and then we have to take the insulation to the box. Make sure that we don't have a temperature difference to cause the inside to sweat. We do not want water. We don't want this boot to sweat because there's no insulation wrapped around cold air in summer and warm air in winter. Squeegee that off as well, just like we did before. We'll make sure that it's sealed. have it. We have a properly sealed boot. And you can see from the inside that the mastic, the inner liner, is adhered to the collar itself. And when that hardens and dries up, there will be no air that can leak and cause any water damage. What you need is the flex in the boot that we have, a drill, and 2 boot clips. What you're going to do is take these 2 boot clips, put one on each side, and just pop right on like this of the boot. And we're going to take this and we're going to screw it up to the top of the trusses. What you're going to want to do is measure off your center line. Have a mark. I do have a mark on the back side of this truss, so I do know where I'm planning on putting it. And the boot clips will hold it in place. Sometimes they're a little more difficult to install when you're by yourself. But you install those, then from there you can slide it to wherever